Hello friends, it is Running Kimono, and I went out to Walgreens today. I had one of those goofy boosters of spend 50, get back $10, and I'm always like, I'm not gonna do it, and then I did it. So I'm gonna walk through this deal by deal and then give you the $50 basket, because I know most of you probably don't have the 10 back when you spend 50, or you just don't want to do it because it's a large out of pocket. But I still did it, and it worked with varying degrees. Register rewards were not printing for me today, and I had 3 digitals that did not come off, so that was like $12 out the door of stuff I had to fight for. But I got back, a manager helped me, and then I had to get in touch with customer service for the digital coupons, and they also helped me. And then I did this, and the register reward didn't print. I did this deal first, $3 each, and then you're supposed to get it back 4 when you buy 2. And that register reward didn't print, so but I'll go through it anyhow. But yeah, with moderate success after customer service and a manager helping me, it worked. But there's some bugs in the system, because even the app, I keep getting thrown out of it when I'm in the store, which I do not like. Alas, though, we'll go through the deals. And then Dollar General, this is what I did yesterday. So unless they're handing out bricks of gold today, I am not heading out to Dollar General, because I am Dollar General tired. Usually the first day you have a lot of energy. Second day you're kind of running on smoke. The third day, you know, you just need to sleep. So I just didn't post a video yesterday because by the time I came home it was later and I was just really tired. But I'm going to go through what I found, and if you might want to go look for the same items, I mean, by all means go for it. But what I was typically finding as the day was progressing yesterday, most of the clearance sections were getting cleared. I think there's so many people that go and do this clearance shopping on day one that a lot of it's just gone by Sunday. But we'll go through it anyhow. Maybe you'll find the odd thing in your store. And today is the last day for the 50% off clearance section over at the Dollar General. Weather report for you guys. It's a beautiful day. It's about 70 degrees. Hi to my mom if she's watching. I hope she's having a terrific day. Okay, so let's go to Walgreens, and we're gonna just talk about some of these dealios. So the first one was with the Crest. We had a 5 off of 3 that showed up. So these guys are $3 a pop, and the deal is to buy 2 and to get back a $4 register reward, which is a store coupon. Not printing for this girl. So these are the $3 items that I got. 2 toothbrushes and 1 paste. I wanted all toothbrushes, but I found another one that was tagged in the store, but it was not part of the deal. It was ringing up for $4.79. So these 3 guys, that is 3, 3, and 3, that's $9. The 5 off of 3 came off perfectly. I threw in $4 of Walgreens cash, paid the balance of the tax, and then the $4 register reward that I was supposed to get for this transaction didn't print, so the manager just threw $4 on my store card, which was super nice. Okay, so I'm just going to go through these deals one by one and then give you a bigger basket because I know that a lot of you probably, you know, you're just not going to do a $50 basket. So the first little dealio that we have, and this is a really good one, it is with the Head and Shoulders. So these are on a buy one, get one 50% off promotion, and I did all of this in store too, just to preface that. This is not a curbside. So this guy was $6.99. This one was $3.49. So for the 2 of them, that's $10.48. We have a 3 off of 2 digital. So you'll pay $7.48 out of pocket, get back a $4 register reward, which is a store coupon. And then IBOTTA has a $1 cash back for each. So it makes it $1.48 for the 2, or 74 cents per Head and Shoulder. That is an excellent price point. And if you want to use your Walgreens cash to pay down your balance, if you're just buying these 2 little bozos on their own, absolutely go for it. The next little dealio that I did was with the Shick. These are on a buy one, get one 50% off. So this one would be $11.79. $5.89, and then $3.79. So for all of this goodness, it is $21.47. The promotion for Shick is when you spend 20, you get back 5. We have a $1 digital, a $4 digital, and then I used a $4 coupon from an insert. Alternatively, maybe coupons.com has one. You might have a Peely, or you could sub out this fancy razor for one of the disposables possibly, but double, triple check your math that everything balances. Okay, so for all of this, guys, $21.47. I used a $4, and a $1 coupon. I had to pay $12.47 cash bills out of pocket because this is a spend offer. You cannot use Walgreens cash to pay down your balance. And then I got back the $5 in Walgreens cash for spending 20. So it made it $7.47 for the 3. Obviously, if you have like a booster, like spend 50, get back 10, or spend 20, get back 5. Tossing it in with this is a much better deal. But I just love these Shick razors, and I just wanted to do this sort of a deal today. So not the worst thing. This cute little chorus line, $4.99, $4.99, $4.99, for a total of $14.79. I had a $2 digital for this one that did not come off, so customer service had to credit me that. And then I had a $2 from the June P&G and then a $2 Peely for this, and that all came off beautifully. Let's just pretend this $2 came off. It would be $8.97 after everything. And then you get back $5 in Walgreens cash, making it $3.97 for the 3, or $1.32 per. Now, if I wanted to use a little bit of Walgreens cash to pay down the balance, so I'm not really feeling this one, you can absolutely do that. So what a great little deal for all of this magic. This guy, if you remember, I've been talking about this in many of my videos where I'm like, toilet paper prices are going up. This is $6.49. Whenever there's a sales week, it's usually $5.99. So they've been pretty generous with the markup. There is a $1 digital that would drop it down to $5.49. So, you know, if you had a basket like, you know, spend 20, get back 5, or spend 50, get back 10, this would be ideal. And then I photographed my receipt for fun to fetch rewards, and I got back 80 cents for 800 points. So that is really terrific. So this is my basket, guys, of what I did for my $50 basket. We have the cottonelle for $6.49, all of this Shick intuition stuff for $21.47. We have $14.97 of Tide. We have $10.48 of the Head and Shoulders. And then we have the 2 Arizona teas on a buy one, get one for free. Okay? So for all of this, it's a total of $54.41. My booster is loaded, which is spend 50, get back 10. Now, digitally, I had a lot of coupons that came off along with papers, but I also had a $6 register reward from the week previous that I wanted to use. Now, to get the register reward to attach to the line limit perfectly, I got the cashier to scan the Arnold Palmers first, although it went crazy because I had 3 digitals that didn't work for this transaction. But that was the plan, so I used a $6 right there. And I had 1 paper for this. Actually, I had 2 papers for this because you can use up to 2. And then I had $1 digital for this that didn't come off, $1 for the cottonelle that didn't come off, and then this one didn't come off. And I had a 3 off a 2, and then a 2 and a 2 for the pods. So after all of those coupons, which is quite a bit, I should have paid $29 cash out of pocket. Because this is a spend booster, and with this, I have to pay cash for the balance. And then what I did get back was $20 in Walgreens cash, 10 for the booster for spending 50, 5 for the Tide, and then 5 for the Shick. This is spend 20, get back 5. This is buy 3, get back $5 in Walgreens cash. This register reward did not print for me, so I had to get the manager to help me out with that. And then IBOTTA also gave me back $1 for each, and then I got back 800 points from Fetch for this. So not the worst. After crunching all the numbers, it's like I paid $2.20 for all of this, which is a really, really great little haul. Really great little haul. Even if you wanted to break it up in little things, I would absolutely do the Head and Shoulders deal. And then if you need Tide, I mean, that is really inexpensive as well. So not the worst week over at Walgreens. There were some hiccups. I'm noticing the app is just really, really fussy lately. I don't know what that's all about, but I've had to call customer service the last 2 weeks about stuff. And I noticed that when I'm in the app trying to scan stuff in the store to make sure I'm grabbing the right product, I always get thrown out of the app. So maybe you guys can let me know if you're having a similar issue. But really happy with my haul today. Like $2.20 for all of this. I think that's a really great haul. We're at the Dollar General. They have a clearance event a couple times a year, and when they have it, I go really hard with it. And I would like to thank everybody who really loved the matchups video I did for it last week. It received such a lot of attention, and I really appreciate that because I love this event. And when you guys recognize a video that I really put a lot of work into, it really means a lot. It's a huge compliment, and I want to thank you guys. So I visited 2 stores yesterday. One was a 70 and one was a 50. And as I said earlier, lots of this stuff was gone. I was like really picked through, but I still made some deals happen. So at the 70 store, I found this little Hello Kitty notebook. I thought one of my nieces might enjoy it. It's just a kid's coloring book. And this was 18 cents. So, I mean, hello. These nicer, they're called Benadon or Bendon. They're just these cool little, you know, coloring books for adults. They were 81 cents each, and I picked up 5 of them. I thought they would be a really good, like, you know, for a Christmas gift, throw this in as well. I thought that would be really kind of neat. Usually when August rolls around, there's a bunch of different school supplies that show up, and crayons are always part of it, so make that part of a Christmas gift maybe. Kind of a neat little thing, but 81 cents for these ones. Oh, and I'll just, if you guys want to see the UPCs, I'm just going to do it this way today because it's a lot of work to photograph every single UPC. Hopefully that's in focus. And this is Hello Kitty. So the Always Discreet pads were $2.25 each. I had a paper coupon from the June P&G. I also did this on Saturday, so I don't know if it expired. But it made this free plus 50 cents of overage. And I did it in a 5 off of 25 basket, and it was really fantastic. So these were all free and a little money maker. Tresemes at the 70% off store were $1.35. We had a $2 digital, and so it made it 65 cents of overage, which was really nice. And here's the UPC. 67 cents, so I used some of the Tresemme overage to pay that down. What a great price point. 67 cents. Another 70% off find. The Huggies at the 70% off store were like $2.03. We had a $2 digital coupon, so it made it 3 cents per bag. There's a pregnancy center that I donate a lot of stuff to when I have a huge amount of stuff, so I will definitely be donating this in the near future. Bar soap was $1.33. We had a $1 digital coupon. I believe it's since expired. The coupon expired. So I paid 33 cents for each. I was putting these in baskets for the 5 off of 25 yesterday. So that's how I was able to, you know, reconcile the 33 cents, because that's even a lot for me for bar soap, but there it is. This little guy, I was only able to find one of them at the 70% off store. He was $1.62. We have a $4 digital coupon, so it made it free plus $2.38 of overage, which was always really nice to find. A dry spray was $1.35. I had a $1.50 coupon, so it made it free plus 15 cents of overage. Keep all of your receipts too, guys, because if IBOTTA might have a rebate for this in the next coming week over at the Dollar General, that might be extra money for you, you know? It's just really fantastic. Now these sprayaways, this was quite the little find. At this one store at 70, for whatever reason, they bagged up and had carts and carts and carts of like the Clorox, the Lysol wipes, anything with a name on it. But these were still on the shelves. I don't think they knew about it, but these were 61 cents. This specific one, and I will show you guys the UPC for this if you wanted to go and look for it, but like 61 cents, that is a really killer deal for this. And it's like an all-purpose cleaner that you can use in the bathroom, kitchen, wherever. And the store had a bunch of these, so I took a bunch for my 5 off of 25 basket. I got enough to get me to 25, and this was probably my biggest expense. I've been talking nonstop about these vitamins. It might be really impossible to find them. But they were $1.89. We had a $4.50 digital, making it free plus $1.61 of overage. So these will be definitely harder to find because, you know, probably other shoppers have really been looking for them, but I was very grateful to find 2 of these, and they were part of my 5 off of 25 baskets, so that worked out well. Now this little guy, this is the weirdest thing ever, and I have a friend, like a friend who lives like an hour down the road, and we were talking about this last night for a good amount of time because she was even perplexed by it. So this Gain Febreze Hawaiian Aloha, in certain places it's on clearance, and other places you scan this barcode, it's full price, which is very peculiar. So this is 150 fluid ounces. There are no coupons for this guy either, guys, sorry to say. But at a 50% off store, it's $6.28. That's where I found it. I found it on a top shelf as well. At a 70% off store, it would be $3.77. And it's impossible to find them. I know a couple shoppers have found them, so I think this is an older tag on this one. And even though in the app, if it says it's in your store, it might be a real long shot to find it. So don't scream at me too much if you can't find it in the store. You know what I would absolutely do? Scan absolutely everything to see if it might be there. But even at $6.28, I don't know if it's worth buying Gain for that price point unless this is your favorite thing. $3.77 is a little cheaper. Too bad we didn't have coupons to go with it today. But I was able to find 2 of these yesterday that were part of the clearance event. And I used it in a 5 off 25. I think I got my basket down to like $3. It was insane. But it was really like a cool moment. So anyhow, guys, last day for this. And then some solid deals over at Walgreens. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.